Looking for a conference-style teleprompter? Autocue has you covered. There are two options, but which is better for you? I'm Matt, and in this video, we'll look at the difference between the Navigator and Navigator Plus conference packages to help you decide. Ready? Cue titles. First, monitors. Navigator uses our Explorer monitors with HDMI inputs and standard brightness levels. Navigator Plus uses Pioneer monitors with SDI and composite inputs and outputs, and a super high brightness of 1500 nits. If you're in a smaller venue with normal lighting, Navigator's great. But if you need to run longer cables or work in a very bright location, go for Navigator Plus. Now the software. Navigator comes with Autocue Explorer software, while Navigator Plus comes with Autocue Pioneer software, and there are a few key differences between the two. So let's take a look at what they are. The first difference is live editing. Most of us won't need to edit and prompt at the same time. We stop prompting between takes to make edits. If that's you, go for Navigator with Autocue Explorer. With Autocue Pioneer, you can make changes in the story editor while the prompt output is running. Live editing means the operator can update scripts and run orders during production. If you need live editing, then choose Navigator Plus. Next, how many prompters and controllers do you need to connect? With Autocue Explorer software, you can connect one controller. It will support just one prompter output, either HDMI, NDI, or iPad. You can split the output to feed more than one prompter, and if you need more controllers connected, or you need HDMI and iPad outputs, or multiple local prompters connected directly, then go for Navigator Plus with Autocue Pioneer software. Script importing is another difference. Navigator allows manual importing of one script. The Pioneer software with Navigator Plus allows you to work with multiple scripts and connect to popular newsroom systems using the MOS protocol or an FTP server. If you want to run a slideshow alongside your script, choose Navigator Plus with Pioneer. You can easily trigger slides by scrolling through your script and display them on the prompter output or additional monitors. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos on using PowerPoint with a teleprompter. So when you're choosing a Navigator conference package, think about both the monitor and the software features. Navigator Plus has more features, but Navigator is still powerful, and if it does everything you need, then why pay more? Whatever you choose, check back here for more hints and tips on how to get the best from your Autocue software and teleprompters. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay on cue.